are going.
It's visual. Okay, so this is the extravagance. So I've been carrying this bag a lot of places for like 4 years now,
and I've never seen it before. So that's...
She's been here 3 years and she's never seen it. Okay,
almost 4.
Almost 4. And she's never seen it, so maybe it's over 4 years. I really like the bag, so we decided we should probably make some improvements to it and maybe tell people that we make it. So this is step 1, making improvements. Later we'll tell you that we made it. So basically what it has is it's got some pockets for, like, you know, your product. Is that what you call that, product? Yeah, that's what's for hair product. Yeah. For that kind of stuff. Some pouches. So a few things that aren't great about it. One, it's a little hard to clean. So if you have an explosion, while it's nice it's trapped in here and not inside the car, it's a little tough to clean up. So we need to fix that. The handle I'm not in love with. The giant mesh pocket is spectacular because you can put wet towels and wet clothes in here, hang this from like a shower stall, and when you're at the KOA, bam, you're ready, or wherever you're at, hang on the side of the van, whatever you want to do. But, and then a couple pockets here. So I'm thinking we need to line this with truck tarp.
I would make that whole center, that whole inside truck tarp. This, and that.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah. That way we can actually clean it.
Might have stuff.
It'll wipe off as opposed to make a giant mess. And then another way to hang it here, because I'd like to be able to hang it off the ladder in my van. On the side of the van where my shower is, where my shower stall is. And just be nice to be able to hang it off of stuff other than just a little hook and a handle. Make sense?
Yep.
You're feeling good about it? All right. That's all I got. This is the magic. Here it is, officially. Oh yeah, I like that, huh? It can detach, it can hang. Oh yeah, that looks good, huh? Much better than mine. Nice, I like little pleats in there, be able to put the big stuff in there. A couple pouches here, bam. Oh yeah, look at, oh my gosh. You even got Bob. How many squirrels does it hold? It's a nest. Squirrel's nest. Poor cousin Bob. Oh my gosh.
Ugly ant.
Yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not a squirrel. Definitely not a squirrel. So we've got, what do we have? We have 8 life-size squirrels and 1 not life-size moose. We had the
Squirrel-size moose.
Squirrel and 1. I think it's bigger than the squirrels.
Oh yeah, squirrel and a half.
But maybe a squirrel and a half size moose. Definitely not a moose-sized moose though. I think it's a win. Bam, bathroom bag, shower bag, bam, all your stuff. All your product goes in here for your hair care. Room for some pouches so you can put other products that you need in there. I don't know what those are again because I wear a hat every day and I don't shave my beard much. My kids and the wife love this bag. It's their go-to for things. Because the key is you can put all your wet stuff in here. I guess you can use it to swim with too, right? Because you can put sunscreen there. Here I go. My squirrel net on the road. Oh yeah, look at that. If somebody needs a squirrel, emergency squirrel, bam, emergency squirrel. Oh, you need a moose. Oh, bam, moose. Oh, another squirrel. It's like a squirrel dispenser. Look at that. It's a squirrel dispenser. Bam, bam.
It's a squirrel vending machine.